Welcome back, guys. Today we're cooking up some pasta. Just cooking up some pasta here today, and it's going to be a creamy spicy pasta. So all we've got in here is what you can see and some cream cheese. So we are going to boil the pasta, and then we're going to add our passata. And we're going to add our chili, our onion granules and our garlic. We're going to add some water for the chicken stock with some oregano, some black pepper and a little bit of butter to make it a little bit more creamy. Let's get started. Right, so the pasta is now done. I'm going to empty half of the water from the pasta and start adding our ingredients. And we're using cream and not cream cheese because there was none at the shop. So we're going to have to make do with some cream instead, guys. Right, so we've took the water from out of here. We have got half left in. So I'm going to add my stock cube and some black pepper and give that a good old stir. Now we're going to go ahead and add the passata. So we've got a little carton, which is 200 grams. And I'll add that in and give that a good old stir. So I've gone ahead and added the chopped garlic. I'm going to add some dried oregano to the mix. Going to add the paprika. And then we're going to add some onion granules. There we go. And some cayenne pepper. Let's get that stirred in. So now this is cooking up nicely. I'm going to add in some cream. Roughly around 120 mils. So now we've got a lovely pasta base, and you can add anything to this from chicken, salmon, you can add a bit of broccoli to it, absolutely anything, whatever you want, whatever meat you want. Tuna, could put anything with it. So there we have it, our spicy tuna pasta. I'm going to plate this up and add some cheese. Let's get to it. So here we have the final dish. Let's dig in. Just give this a little taste. Actually get it on my fork, not on the side of my fork. Yummy. Very nice. Definitely give this a 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash a like, share it out with all your friends and family, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, love and respect to all. Bye for now.